Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm looking at Burlington home decor and room decor, and I'm looking at all the pillows they have. And these super pretty like gold ones. And then on this back wall they have these large wall clocks. I'm kind of looking for the wall art, and there's lots of wall art for like a home, but I'm looking for like room decor wall art. I have these cute little storage boxes. And they have these picture frames, and then this is the kind of wall art I was wanting to look at for like a room, like a bedroom, because they're smaller sizes. I like this one. I like the fashion ones, like the ones with the books and the perfume and the shoes on them. And they have this pretty sparkly picture frame. This one is BB brand. BB brand is pretty much all over Burlington. And then here are some larger wall art. I like the one that says Prada. And the one with the feathers is super pretty. I love these little Eiffel Towers, especially this pink one. It has like little mirrored glass on it. So pretty. This candle is super cute with the eyelashes. It's just $7. So I hope you liked my Burlington room decor, home decor walkthrough, so you can get some ideas. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.